Hello friends! I'm showing you new products from Ciao Bella. This is curly bases for albums. Album bases includes 2 curly pages and 3 ordinary pages. How we are starting our work with albums, ordinary pages. I'm coloring pages borders. Curly pages. I cover whole pages with gesso. After that, when we covered pages with gesso and give them time to dry out, curly pages must be colored. For this purpose we can use acrylic paints, sprays, pastes, ink and any other mixed media materials which you like to use. Coloring of these pages also can be done with your own preferences. For ordinary pages, we cut out paper bases with the same size as the page. It is important to take into consideration what kind of binding we use. If our binding is on rings or tapes, then we can immediately glue it to the bases. If we are making paper or classical cloth binding, then first we have to make the binding and then glue paper to pages. If you use binding on rings or tapes, you can also add eyelets to the holes on album pages. Advantages of this kind of bindings is that you can change the order of the pages anytime, and also you can add new pages to the album. Then, using these billets, you can make albums of type which you like and also combine them with each other.